Hello, traveler. Been busy lately? What if you could calm your mind and improve your life with one simple practice? Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool backed by science. Mindfulness means being fully present in the moment. But why does it matter? Imagine reducing your stress by 60%. Sounds amazing, right? Studies show that mindfulness can lower stress by up to 60%. It also enhances brain function, boosting your focus and productivity. Mindfulness increases serotonin levels, improving your mood and emotional resilience. Don't just take my word for it. Ask someone you love and see what they think, and see if this doesn't help in overcoming anxiety. Finding joy in daily life, mindfulness changes lives. And think you can do it? It's easier than you think. Start with deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold and exhale for 4 seconds. Focus on the present moment. Notice your surroundings, thoughts and emotions without judgment. Feel the air into your nostrils as you inhale. Adding mindfulness in your daily routine. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Try it for yourself. You just inhale real deep right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now release slowly. Click that like button and drop a comment if this helps you. Subscribe for more.